Now, if we have a situation where we have a hole that needs fixing, you're going to have to find another piece of fabric that is going to be slightly bigger than what is actually missing. Now, if it's a new piece of fabric, you've probably got extra pieces that you can use. If it's something that's old, maybe an old quilt or a comforter, and you don't have any of the original fabric, then you can actually make your own. And the way that you do that is using printable fabric sheets that you can buy anywhere. And you can just take a picture of the pattern and into your computer, and then you can print that picture of the pattern onto that new printable fabric. So it's a bit like printing a photo out onto photo paper, but you're going to do it onto printable fabric. And then you are going to have that matching fabric on that new piece that you've just made. That's a great idea for those old quilts to be able to fix those threadbare sections. Now, what we're going to do, again, it is slightly bigger than what's missing, and we don't want to have any of the bonding powder in this center section that is going to show through the hole that's there at the moment. So what we're going to do is mask off that central area, and we just need another piece of fabric just to mask that area off. And then we're just going to sprinkle a bit of the powder around the edges. So the edges are going to fit underneath the original fabric, and we're just going to add that there. Remember to do this on your fiberglass sheets. Remember, they're non-stick, and it allows you to use a hot iron on any type of fabric. So it doesn't just have to be cotton like I'm doing here. It could be a piece of silk, rayon, absolutely anything. So what we're doing is pre-fusing that patch. Now, remember that when you finished with your sheet, to just clean it off with one of your little kitchen scrubbies. They work really well. And now we've got our pre-fused piece. So we're just going to remove the masking area, and hopefully with the light you can see we've now got a shiny part that is pre-fused, and we have the center section that's going to show through the hole that is completely without any powder. Now, if you can get to the wrong side, then it is possible to just line everything up together by putting the patch on the wrong side. Now, in the situation of a quilt or anywhere where you can't get to the wrong side, you're going to be able to just push that through the hole. Now, it doesn't matter what size or shape the hole is. I'm, doing this kind of oblong shape. It just makes it very clear on the video how this works. Now you see how we've actually pieced it in. And again, just using your non-stick fiberglass sheet, we're just going to literally add a little bit of heat to reactivate the powder. Now remember, everything washes, dry cleans, tumble dries as many times as you want it to. So that's the job done, and you've now got your piece of fabric that looks as good as new again.